Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate emails in Mailchimp using the easy method. This is a great way to build an automatic letter flow so you can greet new readers even when you are away from your computer. Let's get into it. First, open the Automations menu. The first step is to open your web browser, log in to your email account dashboard, and navigate to the main control area where automatic tasks are built. Open your account page, look at the menu strip running down the left side of your screen, and click on the icon that looks like a lightning bolt or says Automations. Click the main button near the top of your screen that asks you to create a brand new automatic journey. Because regular email blasts are sent out manually by clicking a button in your main campaign folder, you have to open this special automation room so the system gives you access to the background triggers. Without this step, your letters will stay completely still until you manually tell them to send. Next, choose your starting trigger. You need to tell the system's computer exactly what action your visitor must take to kick off the automatic email delivery. Look at the template list on your screen. Click on the option for Welcome New Contacts and select the specific sign-up list you want to watch. Confirm that the starting rule says Contact signs up for your list, so the system watches your form day and night. Because an automatic letter cannot start without a clear reason to wake up. By setting up this specific trigger rule, you tell the program to monitor your website form automatically. It ensures that whenever a new person drops their name into your box, the computer instantly preps a letter for them. Next, write and design your email letter. Now you need to open the letter editor to write your text message, drop in your logos, and pick the subject line your readers will see in their inboxes. Click the Edit Design button on your message step box. Type your welcome words into the text box and add your personal name to the sender box. Keep your wording clean and simple. Check the text box for spelling mistakes and click the Save button at the top corner. Because this text is the actual material your audience will read when they join your fan circle. By building a neat and clear message page, you make sure your company looks friendly and professional right from the start. It is the key step to getting the right output, because an empty email structure won't help your readers at all. Next, turn on the flow to start sending. The final step is to review your setup summary. Make sure the trigger and the letter look correct, and flip the main power switch to make the system live. Look at the top right corner of your web page layout. Click on the blue button that says Turn On or Start Sending and confirm your choice. Watch the little indicator dot turn from a gray pause color into a bright green active color on your dashboard menu. Because your automation script will sit completely asleep in draft mode until you give it official permission to run. Once you hit the Activate button, the background robots take over the heavy lifting completely. Now your setup is finished, your system is active, and your letters will fly out automatically. And that's pretty much it. To automate emails in Mailchimp, you must first open the Automations menu from your side navigation bar. Then you choose your starting trigger so the system watches for new signups. Next, you write and design your email letter inside the editing boxes. Finally, you click the Turn On button to let the system start sending messages automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.